Hello there. If you own a Chevrolet Bolt EV electric car, or in Europe an Opel Ampera-e or a Vauxhall Ampera-e, you may have noticed that these keys can be quite slippery, and you can drop them easily on the floor. If that were to happen and it breaks, it can easily set you back a couple of $100. So in order to make it more comfortable and to prevent this from happening, I looked for the perfect key fob cover and just wanted to share with you what I found. I've been using this now for a few months, and I must say I'm very satisfied with it, because as you can see, all the buttons are perfectly accessible. In the US you would have here where my thumb is your Bolt EV logo. Here in Europe we have the Opel logo. Beside of that, the key is exactly identical. It's very stable. If it were to fall, the key will most likely survive because of this soft TPU material that absorbs the shock. And also against scratching and denting, this material is really well. Very easy to put together. Just slide the key in here. As you can see, it's a perfect fit, and then put this thing on the top. And there you go. Highly recommend it, especially if you are worried about dropping your key, or have dropped your key and it cost you quite some money. With this key fob cover, which I highly recommend, you can avoid that. Actually, it comes in all the colors of the Bolt EV, so also in blue and in red. So a very nice tool. I will show you the link in the description. And I hope that this was helpful. All right, take care. Bye.